Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Payne here. Today I'm trying to print something, but my printer is not printing. So today we're gonna show you on this channel how to fix that. Stay tuned. So the first step, if your printer's not printing, is let's first make sure it has ink. This printer has ink. Okay, great. Let's make sure there's paper. There's paper. Let's make sure there's not a paper jam. Not a paper jam. Let's make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi. It's on Wi-Fi. Okay, so that doesn't seem to be a problem. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you the problem. Print this picture, but I have this. So I'm going to show you how to fix this issue if your printer is not printing and it's just looking for printer. I'm going to cancel that. On a Mac, we're going to re-add the printer. After we have checked to make sure the ink is good, that there's paper, and that there's no paper jam, that's connected to the internet. So on a Mac, you're going to go to System Preferences, Printers and Scanners. We're going to hit the plus sign, add that one, hit add it. Okay, now let's try printing. Print. You want to go to see more. And hopefully in the background you'll hear it print. And it's printing. Hopefully that fixed your printer. If not, then look for another YouTube video. As always, I'm Payne and thanks. So it looks like the problem was the printer needed to be re-added, which I have just shown you the steps. Printer's now printing. See, there's Google. I'm Payne Bachman, and I hope that fixed your printer. If not, then you may need to go buy a new printer. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.